Okay guys, welcome to the next tutorial. In this one I'm not doing any programming at all. I just want to go through a few little things here in arrays. How we can declare them, assign them, etc, etc. Okay? So the first one here, we have an array called cost. We can give it a value of 10 in column, just column variables, right? Or 10 allocations, 10 values, okay? We can therefore cost 0 is 1159, etc, etc. In this one here, we're assigning values at declaration stage. So we're not going like, in this new array. We're just going int balance. That's the balance of this array. It's called balance. And we're just giving it values, okay? You can also declare an array like this. We can actually keep the number of declarations we're going to have in it. And then we can assign them like as shown here. We can also leave out anything inside our array, like score, and then assign it like here. And the other side is we can assign one array to another one. We can say int scores is a new int, here you go with these values here, and int scores we're going to assign this to another array that I haven't shown you called mark. Okay, so we'll just assign one to the other. Alright, that's what I want to show you. It's simple enough. That will do it for arrays. Apart from just going on to multi-dimensional arrays, we'll go through them the next one. Alright, take care guys. See you then. Bye bye.